Hi, Peter here from Discovery Adventures. Just fitted a new cabin pollen filter, and I'm now going to sanitize the air conditioning system of the car. So in this particular one, I'm going to be using the Simonized Aircon refresh. So the procedure for this is to shake the cans well, start the vehicle, and then put the vehicle into recirculate. Then you move the driver's seat forwards and then depress the valve on the top of the can and place it behind the driver's seat, and let the aircon run on manual full power for about 10 minutes to completely sanitize the vehicle, which I'm just about to do. So first things first, let's get the key out. Let's get the vehicle started. Okay, put the air conditioning into recirculate, which is the button down there, recirculation. Put it to manual, put it on as cold as it goes, so let that run for a moment. That's the product I'm using in this particular case. No affiliations, just the one I just happen to have in the cupboard. Usually have a couple of different brands, whichever ones are on offer. Okay, get out of the vehicle now. Moving the driver's seat forwards. Sorry, you have to bear with me on that. Just knock the screen round there. Just move the seat forwards. Right. Back. Excuse the mess because the car's used on the tracks and with the dogs all the time. So there's a canister. Press and release, and leave it to go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, just a very short one. Please leave a comment, a like and subscribe is much appreciated, and tell me on your thoughts. Do you replace your carbon cabin filter every year, and do you sanitize the inside of the car? Because you can actually get a condition called sick car syndrome, where the bacteria build up and you get harmful mold deposits build up in the system, which actually are bad for your health, and particularly if you've got respiratory problems. Anyway, Peter from Discovery Adventures, thank you very much, and like and subscribe. Thank you.